Do you believe that there's no other God besides Allah?
No other God. God is the creator of the universe.
And do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
He is not God. He is messenger.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah.
and I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the last
is the last
and final messenger
and final messenger
and servant of God.
and servant of God.
Masha. You're a Muslim.
Masha.
You're a Muslim. And inshallah Allah will forgive all your sins. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the knowledge. Then you read the Quran, Allah will bless you more.